TDS Meter.
The Shanoverseas TDS Meter is a high-precision device designed to measure the total dissolved solids, TDS, in water. It is an essential tool for ensuring water quality in various applications, including drinking water, aquariums, hydroponics, and water purification systems. This portable and user-friendly device provides accurate and reliable readings, helping users monitor and maintain the purity of their water. Specifications: 1. Model: Shanoverseas TDS 100. 2. Measurement: temperature, -10 to 60 degrees Celsius, 14 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit.
14. Certification CE ISO 13485.
15. Warranty: 1-year limited warranty. The Shanoverseas fetal Doppler is designed with advanced technology to ensure precise detection of the fetal heartbeat. It is a valuable supply: 2x 1.5 VLR 44 button cells, included. 8. Auto-off function: turns off after 10 minutes of non-use to conserve batteries. 9. Temperature range: 0 to 50 degrees Celsius, 32 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. 10. Dimensions: 155 mm x 31 mm x 23 mm. 11. Weight: 55 grams. 12. Operating environment: 0 to 50 degrees Celsius, RH 95% max. 13. Hold function: saves measurements for convenient reading and recording. 14. Battery life: approximately 1,000 hours of usage. 15. Warranty: 1-year limited warranty. The Shanoverseas TDS Meter is designed to provide quick and accurate readings, making it an ideal choice for anyone concerned about the quality of their water. Its compact size and ease of use make it a convenient tool for both home and professional use.